Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you. Wow. What a way to spend a Tuesday night in Tbilisi with everyone. So, would you like to hear another song? You want to hear another song? Are you crazy? Oh God! I tell you what, we will play one more song, but before we do, I just have a few thank yous because we have to. Do you know we have to be up at 5 o'clock in 6 hours. We have to be up to go back to London. Very sad, very sad. And I'd like to apologise for us bringing the snow. I'm sorry about that. We seem to bring the English weather with us, so sorry about that. But seriously, I just want to say thank you very much. The reason we're here is because of one particular lady that I've been mailing for the last 2 years to try and organise these shows, and she's been absolutely brilliant. So Annie, thank you so much, Annie. And on your team, also Nino as well, and everybody in your team. You guys are just so wonderful. Lovely, beautiful lady. And everybody, she's organised some lovely stuff. We've actually really experienced sort of like Georgian food and wine, and she's made our stay so special. So thank you so much.
Bravo.
And Nino, I haven't got it on me, I don't think. Oh, Nino, thank you so much for writing down these words, which for some reason I can't really remember. So I've got to say, yeah, there we go. Yeah, so. Well, yeah, obviously, Madloba, big time. Thank you so much. Well, that wasn't worth it, was it? So, Annie, thank you. Thank you so much. But I have to say, thank you for coming out and sharing this evening with us. I mean, live music is more important than ever in the world now. It's so important. And you came out, you decided to come and join us this evening. We really appreciate that. So thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
And we'd also like to thank Sandro and of course Paul Kennedy, our sound engineer, who's come with us as well. With the lighting and the sound, thank you for making us sound better than we are.